Diabetic diet, type 1 diabetic, type 2 diabetic, foods to eat and avoid. Ever heard of the saying, Arthur or Martha? Many would have heard of type 1 diabetic and type 2 diabetic, but have no real idea what the difference really is. Let's quickly break it down. Type 1 diabetic typically presents in younger people, but medical experts are baffled by the cause and assume it may be due to environmental factors such as viruses. It could also be influenced by genetics. It is associated with the body's immune system fighting against itself, destroying its own insulin. Type 1 diabetes means that you are most likely to be insulin dependent, and it is classed as an autoimmune disease. Type 2 diabetic most commonly affects the older generation and those who are overweight. This type of diabetes may have presented previously in the history of the family, but can also be caused by environmental factors and the overall health of the person affected. Type 2 means that the person is insulin resistant, and the body is resistant to the insulin it is producing, or the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. Diet is the key factor to maintain control of this disease, and keeping the glucose levels stable is of utmost importance. If you are a type 2 diabetic, you can manage the disease by practicing a healthy, active lifestyle and by following a natural diet. Whether you are type 1 or type 2 diabetic, managing diabetes and implementing a diet suitable for the condition means that some foods need to be included in the diet and some foods need to be avoided. One way to manage diabetes is to incorporate a diet that is the right balance between high and low GI foods. Let's jump into the top 4 foods you should avoid, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. 1. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates need to be kept at a minimum as they are broken down by the digestive system and manufactured into glucose, a simple carbohydrate composed of a simple chemical structure, which acts as any sugar composition, resulting in the elevation of blood sugar. Lowering your carbohydrate intake will minimize the chances of your sugar levels increasing dramatically. 2. High GI fruits. Most fruits have a low GI level. However, melons and pineapples are high GI and should be avoided because they increase blood glucose. 3. Saturated and trans fats. Consuming unhealthy fats such as saturated and trans fats influences weight gain, which can worsen the condition of diabetes. Foods such as processed foods, fries, and baked goods contain these fats and may make a person with the condition feel worse and fatigued. Trans fats do not raise blood sugar levels directly, but they have been associated with increased inflammation, insulin resistance, and lowers the levels of good HDL cholesterol. 4. Refined sugar and sugar-filled beverages. Refined sugar needs to be limited or avoided altogether. Sugar-sweetened beverages are loaded with fructose, which has been linked to insulin resistance. High fructose levels can cause metabolic changes that can lead to belly fat and harmful levels of bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Refined sugar and fructose may also increase the risk of diabetes-related conditions such as fatty liver. Now that we know what to avoid, here are the foods you should be eating. 1. Fiber. Adding more fiber to the diet is highly effective in assisting with the control of sugar levels and helps slow down the process of digestion. Slower absorption of nutrients in the body helps maintain blood sugar levels. Fresh vegetables like broccoli, celery, carrots, and whole grains are essential. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, albacore tuna, and sardines contain omega-3 fatty. These omega-3 fatty acids are high in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which improve blood sugar control and blood lipids in people suffering from diabetes. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and contain alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. These omega-3 acids promote good heart health, which is particularly essential for diabetics since they have a higher risk of stroke and heart disease. Walnuts also provide vitamin B6, which helps break down glucose in the body. 4. Leafy greens. Green leafy vegetables are an excellent source of essential vitamins, nutrients, and minerals, and have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Spinach and kale are excellent sources of potassium, vitamin A, and calcium. Vitamin A has recently been proven to improve insulin-producing B cells' function. Vitamin A also regulates metabolic pathways that have been implicated in the pathogenesis of diabetes and obesity. Leafy greens such as cabbage, broccoli, collard green, and bok choy have high antioxidant content and starch-digesting enzymes, which are highly beneficial for diabetics. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus foods such as grapefruit, lemon, and oranges are great for diabetics because they contain two important bioflavonoid antioxidants, hesperidin and naringin, that offer anti-diabetic effects. 6. Vitamins and minerals. Incorporating vitamin-rich foods that have vitamin A and C are excellent for boosting immunity and managing blood sugar levels. If a diabetic is not getting enough vitamins and minerals from their diet, then they should look for a natural supplement that includes non-GMO vitamins and minerals so that the right nutrients are provided to the body to maintain regular body functions and to manage blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. If you found the information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And for more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.